hearing the parents' on the invitation that is being distributed, and because of which we are here, Lord. Jesus is for each and every one of us personally, for your name, for your brothers and sisters. Let us respond to this call of Jesus. He calls us to be more loving children of His. He wants us to straighten our faith and follow Him, and to really be of witness to everyone around us. We have the cross before us, and as we also sing the word, the cross is before me, the word is behind me. Let these words be our reality, with especially during these days of the Novena. Some of the